Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For last session we have discussed algorithmic steps for creating and traversing double linked list. For today's session we are going to see the C program for creating and traversing a double linked list. So first thing is with respect to the node structure, it is slightly different from your single linked list. That is nothing, we are just going to add a previous pointer in case of your double linked list. So now your structured node have the 3 points, that is nothing but a data. Second is nothing but a next pointer which is pointing to the next node which come after the current node, and previous is pointer is pointing to the previous node which is present before the current node. After that I have declared a start with null. That means just to mention that your linked list is empty, we are initializing the start pointer and it is initialized with the null. After that, I have declared a pointer, new node and last. So new node is nothing but whenever I want to add new node into a linked list. For that reason, I have taken this new node pointer. Last is just to maintain the last node of my doubly linked list. After that, this is prototype declaration for function create list and display. After that, I have considered here the menu driven program in which I have options for create list and display. Now we will check in detail the create list function and display function. So in case of your create list function, we already seen first thing is we need to allocate the memory for the new node. So that memory is allocated. After that, we are going to read data for the new node. After that, whatever the data we are reading, that data is allocated to the new node. After that, we are going to add the node into the double linked list. So when you want to add the node into the double linked list, there are two possibilities. So case one is nothing but you are adding the first node of your linked list. So how to check whether you are adding the first node or your linked list is already holding some node? For that, we will check if your start is equal to null. That means your linked list is empty and whatever the new node you are trying to add, that becomes the first node of your linked list. So if start is equal to null, we will set the start as well as the last pointing to the same node, that is nothing but a new node, because we have only one node in our double linked list. So once we add that node, we need to set its previous as well as next pointer to the null because there is only one node currently present in our linked list. Now, second case is that your linked list is not empty. It is already holding some node and you want to add a new node into your existing linked list. When we add first node in our linked list, we are maintaining the start and last. So whatever the new node we are trying to add, we are just adding at the last. So we can make a statement last next is equal to new node. After that, we need to set new node next to the null. That is, we are setting the new node next pointer. After that, we will set the new node previous pointer. So new node previous is nothing but your previous last, because we are adding a data after the last. After adding the new node as a last element, we need to update our last value with new node. So these are the four statements we need to consider when we are going to add a data at the end of the linked list. Now we will check a display function. So here we are considering the forward traversing. So in case of your doubly linked list, we can traverse in both directions. So here we are considering the forward traversing. So when you want to traverse a linked list, we need to start from the first node of your linked list. So for traversing purpose, I have taken a temporary variable and that temporary variable is initialized with the start of your double linked list. After that, I am going to check linked list, doubly linked list is empty or not. So that check will be done with the help of start is equal to null. So if start is equal to null, we can say that your linked list is empty and there is no data to display from the linked list. The case second is nothing but your linked list is not empty. In that case, we will use a while loop for traversing a doubly linked list. So this temp not equal to null, that means it is not reaches to end of your linked list. We are continue with the printing a temp data as well as we are incrementing the temp with temp next value. Hope so you understand program for creating doubly linked list and traversing a doubly linked list. Now we will execute this code and check the output. So first we will create a linked list. So I will enter a node with data 11. After that I will add a node with data 12. After that I will add a node with data 13. After that I will add a node with data 14. So after that I just want to display a linked list. So I will choose option 2. So this is currently a status of our linked list. Hope so you understand this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.